Hello friends, welcome to my channel Academic Made Easy PC. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and also click the bell icon. In this video, we will be learning exercise 3.1 from the chapter Matrices. In this exercise, we will be learning all the basics from this chapter Matrices. So now let's move on to the questions. Question 1. In the matrix A is equal to 2, 5, 19, minus 7, 35, minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, root 3, 1, minus 5, 17. Right? 3 subdivisions is given. So now let's see what is that. The order of the matrix. So I've already taught you what is order of matrix, isn't it? In the introduction part. If you have not watched that video, please do watch it. I will attach the link in the description box. The order of the matrix, that is this matrix. So we have to see the order. What is the order of matrix? Number of rows into number of columns, isn't it? So first we have to check only the number of rows. So that is 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 rows. So 3 into, now we have to check the number of columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the order of the matrix is 3 by 4. This one is over. So next one, number of elements. So in this matrix, how many number of elements or entries is there? They are asking. So it is just a multiplication of the given order. Or else you can just count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 or else 3 into 4 is also 12. No, so you can write that. So now next, third subdivision, write the elements, that is the position is given. Now we have to find it from the given matrix and write. So here first one is A13, that is the position is given. The position is 1, 3. 1, 3 means what? 1 represents the number of row in which it is present and the 3 is number of column. And A13 means first row, third column. So first row, third column is 19. So I will write 19 over here. Next it is A21. Then it means second row, first column. So second row, first column. So it is 35. Third one, A33. 3 means what? Third row, third column. So third row, third column, it is minus 5. Next it is A24. So second row, fourth column. So 12. A23 means second row, third column. So second row, third column is 5 by 2. This is the answer. So with this, question 1 gets over. Question 2. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 13 elements? So now let us split this into 2 parts. So let this be part 1 and let this be part 2. So this question contains 2 parts. First, let us finish off with the first part. Then we'll move on to the second part. Okay. So now solution. So with the first part, we'll go first. So what they have said is that if a matrix has 24 elements, that is the total number of elements is 24. What are the possible orders? In the previous question, we learned with the first subdivision with order of matrix and second subdivision with number of elements. Now, not only they have given, the second subdivision is given and we have to find the first subdivision. It's just like that. Just imagine like that and do it. So 24 elements in total. 24 elements in total, isn't it? What are the possible orders we have to check? So if we multiply any two numbers, then we have to get the total number of elements as 24. So in what all tables do we have 24? Let's check first. So now let's move on from the first table. So 1 into 24 is 24. No. So next it is when we go for 2 tables. So 2 into 12 is 24. Then we'll move on to third table. 3 into 8 is 24. Next, if we move on to fourth table, 4 into 6 is 24. No 24 in fifth table. Sixth table we have, so correspondingly I will just write 6 into 4. 6 4s are 24. 4 6 are also 24 only. Seventh table I don't have. Third table, eighth table I have 8 into 3. Then I have in 12th table 12 into 2, and in 24th table, that's it. Only in these tables I have 24 as the answer. So I have written all these possible orders. So therefore all these are possible order for the total elements 24. That's it. So now till here the first part is over. So now we have to move on to the second part, isn't it? What have they asked in second part? If it has 13 elements. No, the same thing, but they have asked for 13 elements. So when it is 13 element, so 13 comes under only one table and 13 table itself. So only these two are the possible orders. 13 is a prime number. Then it is multiplied only with 1 and itself. So therefore from here till here, second part also is over. Question 3. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders if it can have? What if it has 5 elements? The same thing, very similar to previous question. So I am splitting it into two parts. First part, and this will be my second part. So first I will be seeing to complete my first part of the question and then the second part. So what they have asked, total elements is 18. So 18 elements. Then in what all tables do I get 18? I have to check now. So first table is 18. So correspondingly, I'm just writing 18 into 1. Then in two tables, 2 9s and 9 into 2. And in three tables, 3 into 6 and 6 into 3. Only in these tables I will get 18. So therefore I'm stopping and I'm saying that the possible orders is 1 by 8, 18, 1 by 18, 18 by 1, 2 by 9, 9 by 2, 3 by 6 and 6 by 3. These are the possible orders. So therefore my first part is over. So now I will move on to the second part. What is the second part? Only 5 elements. No. So 5 elements means elements. So 1 into 5 I can have and 5 into 1. Only these are the two possible ways. So therefore, what? Only these two are possible orders. So with this, I will stop for my second part. Over. Question 4. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. A is equal to Aij, whose elements are given by first subdivision. Aij is equal to I plus j the whole square divided by 2. So now how to do such matrix is that we will be substituting the values for I and j. Okay, so the order of matrix 2 by 2 is given. So first we will be taking like, so let A is equal to A11, A12, A21 and A22. This is of the order 2 by 2, isn't it? So we will be taking this one and we will be substituting the value 1 and 1 for I and j in place of I and j, and for this A12 we will be substituting 1 for I and 2 for j, and A21 for 2 for I and 1 for j. We will be doing it in such a way. So now let's get started. So I'm doing for the first element, that is A11. So A11 is equal to, the formula is given here, I plus j the whole square divided by 2, which is equal to 1 plus 1 the whole square divided by 2, which is equal to 2 square by 2, which is 4 by 2. So therefore my A11 is equal to 2. So this is the first element of my matrix. So now I will move on to the second element. So A12 is equal to, what is my I? 1. What is my J? 2. So therefore the whole square divided by 2. So therefore I will have 3 square divided by 2, which is 9 by 2. So therefore my A12 is equal to 9 by 2. Next I will move on to A21. A21 is equal to 2 plus 1, the whole square divided by 2, so which is 3 square divided by 2. So therefore A21 is equal to 9 by 2. This is my answer. Next one I will go for A22, which is 2 plus 2, the whole square divided by 2. So 4 square by 2 is equal to 16 by 2. So therefore A22 is equal to 8. So this is my answer for A22. So now I have to substitute the values from the matrix A. So A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. So therefore A is equal to 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2, 8. So this is my required matrix. Second subdivision, Aij is equal to I by j. So this is the given condition. So now let us write the matrix in general form. So A is equal to, since it is a 2 by 2 matrix, I am writing A11, A12, A21 and A22. This is of the order 2 by 2 matrix, since it has 2 rows and 2 columns. So now I'm going to start finding the answers for A11. So A11 is equal to I plus j. This is the condition. No, what is my I? 1. So what is my j? 1. So therefore A11 is equal to 1. Next is A12. So A12 I by j. No? So therefore I will have I is 1 and j is 2. So therefore A12 is equal to 1 by 2. So next I will have A21. So here it is A21 only. No? So therefore I by j. So I is 2 and j is 1. So therefore A21 is equal to 2. Next I have A22. So I by j is equal to 2 by 2, where A22 is equal to 1. So therefore I got all my elements. So now I will write it in the matrix. A is equal to A11, A12, A21 and A22 of the order 2 by 2. So A is equal to 1, 1 by 2, 2, 1. So therefore this is the required matrix. So when such conditions are given, just see the order of the matrix which is given. So since here it is 2 by 2 matrix, so it should have 2 rows and 2 columns only. So only I have taken the general form first, then I started to find my elements. So if it is like that, it will be very easy, or else please don't confuse yourself. So first write the general form. If it is 2 by 2 matrix, it will be in such a way. If any other order, just write according to the order and then start doing, which will be very easy. Subdivision 3, Aij is equal to I plus 2j the whole square divided by 2. So even this subdivision is very similar to the previous sums. So therefore first let us write the general form. So always write general form to make your calculations very easy and presentative. A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22 of the order 2 by 2. Since the given order is 2 by 2, I am taking like this. So now I will start finding the elements. So first one is A11. So what is the given condition? I plus 2j the whole square is divided by 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 into 1 the whole square divided by 2. So 3 square divided by 2. So A11 is equal to 9 by 2. This is the first element in the first row. So next I will go with first row, second column element. So I plus 2 into j value is 2. So the whole square divided by 2 is equal to 1 plus 4 the whole square divided by 2, which is 25 divided by 2. 5 square plus 2 is 25 divided by 2. No? So A12 is equal to 25 divided by 2. This is my first row, second column element. So now I will see the second row, first column element. So 2 plus 2 into 1 the whole square divided by 2. My I value is 2 and my j value is 1. So 4 square divided by 2 is equal to 16 divided by 2. Therefore, my A21 element is 8. Next, I will move on to A22, which is 2 plus 2 into 2 the whole square divided by 2, which is 2 plus 4 the whole square divided by 2, which is 6 square divided by 2, and A22 is equal to 36 divided, this is 36 divided by 2, which is 18. Therefore, I have found all the elements. So now I will write A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. This is a general form. So now I will substitute the values for all the elements. A11 is 9 by 2. A12 is 25 divided by 2. A21 is 8 and A22 is 18. So this is the required matrix. Question 5. Construct a 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given by first subdivision. Aij is equal to 1 by 2 mod of minus 3i plus j. So here in the previous question we learned 2 by 2 matrix, but here it is 3 by 4 matrix. Means that it has 3 rows and 4 columns. So now first, as usual, we will write the general form for the given matrix. In the previous questions, it was given A is equal to Aij in the question itself, but here nothing is given. So I am saying that let my matrix be A. So therefore, A is equal to, since it is 3 by 4 matrix, therefore, this is the general form for 3 by 4 matrix. So now I will start finding the answers for this. Minus 3 plus 1, so I will have 1 by 2 mod of minus 3 plus 1, which is 1 by 2 minus 2 mod of, no. So when it comes out of mod, it will be 2 by 2. So therefore A11 is equal to 1. So I will move on to A12. So 1 by 2. So mod of minus 3 into 1 plus 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to, when it comes out of the mod, it will become plus 1 by 2. So therefore A12 is equal to 1 by 2. This is my answer for A12. Next, I will move on to A13. So A13 is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 3 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 mod of minus 3 plus 3, which is 1 by 2 into 0. Okay, so here A13 is equal to 0. This is my answer for A13. So next I will move on to A14, which is 1 by 2 into minus 3 into 1 plus 4, which is equal to 1 by 2 mod of minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 1 by 2 into 1. So therefore A14 is equal to 1 by 2. So if we do it in such a way for other elements also, we will get the matrix. So after doing in that way, I will have A is equal to, so this is the general form, isn't it? So my final answer will be 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 5 by 2, 2, 3 by 2, 1, 4, 7 by 2, 3, 5 by 2. So this is my answer for the matrix A. Subdivision 2, Aij is equal to 2i minus j. Solution. First, let me write the general form. The given order is 3 by 4, isn't it? So it will have 3 rows and 4 columns. So let B be some matrix. I'm taking this matrix as B. So this is of the order 3 by 4. So now we have to find the elements for this matrix only. So first I will start with A11. So the given condition is 2i minus j. No. So 2 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 1. So A11 is equal to 1. Next I will move on to A22. Sorry, A12. So 2 into 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore 1, 2 is equal to 0. Next I will move on to 1, 3. 2 into 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. So A13 is equal to minus 1. A14 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. So A14 is equal to minus 2. Next, 2, 1 is equal to A2 into 2 minus 1 is equal to 3. A21 is equal to 3. A22 is equal to 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 4 minus 2. A22 is equal to 2. Next, A23 is equal to 2 into 2 minus 3 is equal to 4 minus 3. So A23 is equal to 1 and A24 is equal to 2 into 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. So A24 is equal to 0. Next I will move on to A31. So A31 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 1. A31 is equal to 5. Next, A32 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 2 is equal to 6 minus 2. So, A32 is equal to 4. Next, A33 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 3 is equal to 6 minus 3. A33 is equal to 3. Next, A34 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 4 is equal to 6 minus 4. A34 is equal to 2. So therefore all the elements is found. So now first let us write the general form. So B is equal to, so this is the general form for the order 3 by 4. So now I will substitute the values. So B is equal to, my A11 is 1, A12 is 0, A13 is minus 1, A14 is minus 2, A21 is 3, A22 is 2, A23 is 1, A24 is 0, A31 is 5, A32 is 4, A33 is 3 and A34 is 2. So this is my required matrix. So with this, fifth question is also over. Question 6. Find the values of x, y and z from the following equations. In this questions, we will be learning to find the values of some x, y and z using equal matrix. Okay, so what is equal matrix? The corresponding elements will be equal, isn't it? So using that property, we will be finding the values of x, y and z. So here it is given that these two matrices are equal. It is not said, but here equal to sign is here, no. So it automatically says that these two matrices are equal. If these two matrices are equal, then it means that the corresponding elements are also equal. So we have to just take the corresponding elements and equate it to get the values of x, y and z. So first, let me move from A11 itself. 4 is here and y is here. So therefore, I will write y is equal to 4. Next, 3 is here, next z. So z is equal to 3. Next, x 1. So x is equal to 1. So therefore the values of x, y and z is 1, 4 and 3. Since they both are equal matrices, the corresponding elements will be equal. So taking that, we will be finding this answer. So first you have to write, since the given two matrices are equal, then the corresponding elements will be equal. So taking that, we got y is equal to 4, z is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1. So with this subdivision is over. Subdivision 2 is given in such a way, that is equation is given. So here x plus y 2, 5 plus z, x, y, 6, 2, 5, 8. So we will be writing the same thing, solution. Since the given two matrices are equal, then the corresponding elements will be equal. So we will be taking that to find the answers. Okay. So first we will go with this. So here x plus y is equal to 6. So A11 is equal to B11. Just like that. Okay. So next here directly it is given 2 is equal to 2. Next we will move on to 5 plus z is equal to 5. So 5 plus z is equal to 5. So z is equal to 0. So if we take 5 to the right hand side, we will get 5 minus 5, z is equal to 0. That's what directly I've written. So next we will move on to, let this be equation 1. And let we move on to next question, that is next equation. So xy is equal to 8. So now let me take this as y is equal to 8 by x. So I'm just taking it like this in order to find the answer. So now I will substitute my equation 2. Substituting equation 2 in 1, I will get x plus 8 by x. Y value is 8 by x no, so only. So 6. So x square plus 8 is equal to 6. I just took LCM and I took directly that side. So x square minus 6 plus 8 is equal to 0. Since you will be familiar with finding the equation, so only I wrote it very fast. So now I have to factorize this. So using factorization, I will find this. So x square minus 2x minus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. So this x minus x I will take out. So x minus 2 minus 4. So x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. So therefore I've got the value for x. Okay, so now I have to substitute the value of x in order to get my y. So y is equal to 8 by x. No, so here y is equal to 8 divided by 2. When my x is 2, I will have 4. So when x is equal to 2, I will have y as 4. So when x is equal to 4, I will have my y as 8 by 4, which is 2. So now I have to substitute in the given matrix. So first let me take x plus y is equal to 6. So now if I take my x as 2 and y will be 4. So therefore I got 6. So next if I take x plus y is equal to 6 and my x as 4 and y as 2, 6. So both also got satisfied. So one more place I have x into y. No. So x into y is equal to 8. This was in equation 2. No. So if I take 2 as x2 and y as 4, I will get 8 and xy is equal to 8. When x is 4 and y is 2 also, I will have 8. So both the values are possible values. So therefore I will write at the last, therefore x is equal to 2 and 4. Y is equal to 4 and 2. Next z is equal to 0. So these are the required values for x, y and z. Subdivision 3, matrix 2 matrix are given which in which 2 also is equal. So here x plus y plus z, x plus z, y plus z is equal to 9, 5, 7. So now what type of matrix it is? It is a column matrix because it has only one column. You have to be very thorough with all those. Okay. So now let me mark this as equation. Okay. So since the corresponding elements will be equal, you just write the statement. So directly I'm just doing it. X plus y plus z is equal to 9. Let this be equation 1. And x plus z is equal to 5 and this is equation 2. Y plus z is equal to 7. This is equation 3. So now there are many ways to find out the solution for this. Okay, so there is a very simple method for you. Let me teach you now. So first I'm taking equation 1 and equation 2 and subtracting equation 2 from 1. So here x plus y plus z is equal to 9. This is equation 1, and my equation 2 I'm taking, and x plus z is equal to 5. Since I'm subtracting, I'm changing the sign. So after changing the sign, I will have x plus 6 and minus 6, x will get cancelled. And y I don't have here, so plus 0 still I'll have. So I will have y as it is, plus z and minus z will get cancelled. And 9 minus 5 is 4. So therefore, my value for y is 4. So directly in the next step, I can substitute the value of y. See here in the equation 3, I have y and z alone. So I will substitute the value of y in the equation 3. Substituting the value of y in equation 3, we get y plus z is equal to 7. Since y is equal to 4, so 4 plus z is equal to 7, so z is equal to 3. So this is the answer for z. So in the equation 2, I have z and x alone, or else in the equation 1 also you can substitute where y and z. So in the equation 2 itself, let me substitute, because only one variable I can substitute now, so that will be easy for me. So x plus z is equal to 5. This is the equation 2, and my z value is 3. So x plus 3 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 minus 3, which is 2. So this is my answer for x. So therefore, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, and z is equal to 3. Therefore, these are the required values for x, y, and z. That's it. Question 8. A is equal to Aij m by n is a square matrix if. So what is the condition for square matrix? M should be equal to n, isn't it? So that is the condition for square matrix. That is the order here. It should be 1 by 1 or 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 or 4 by 4. Then all sides should be equal. The number of elements in all sides should be equal. Then only it is called a square matrix. No. So therefore, M should be equal to n. So option C is the correct option. Question 9. Which of the given values of x and y make the following pair of matrices equal? So these are the two given matrices. So now we have to find the solution for this and choose the correct option. So to make these two matrices equal, then it means that corresponding elements should be equal. No. So now let's move on to the solution. So I will have 3x plus 7. So this and this should be equal. No. So 0. So let this be equation 1. And next is y minus 2 is equal to 5. This is equation 2. And my equation 3 is y plus 1 is equal to 8. And my last equation is 3 minus x is equal to 4. This is my equation 4. So next, I'm going to find the solution for all these. So now I will take first equation. So equation 1 implies 3x is equal to minus 7, where x is equal to minus 7 by 3. First, I'm finding only for x. So equation 1 implies this. So now if I take equation 4, I will have minus 3x is equal to 4 minus 2, where x is equal to 2 by minus 3. So here the x values are different, isn't it? So now I'm going to check it for this one. See, I have minus 7 by 3. So x is not minus 7 by 3 in any case or any option. So I'm just dropping this. So next, if I move on to this equation 4, it implies that x is equal to minus 2 by 3. I have minus 2 by 3 over here. So I'll just keep this in my option, and next I will move on to question. Next I will move on to equation 2 and 3 to find my value of y. So equation 2 implies y minus 2 is equal to 5. So y is equal to 7. Next equation 3 implies y minus 1 is equal to 8 and y is equal to 8. This is plus. So 8 minus 1 is 7. So y is same in both the cases. So here I have to have minus 2 by 3 and 7. So minus 2 by 3. So now I will consider this option and I will try to substitute in the equation, in the matrices. Okay, so when I take x, so first in the first equation I am taking, so equation 1 implies 3x plus 7 is equal to 0, isn't it? So now I will substitute the value of x. So both the cases it is meeting only in this option, so I will be taking only this option. So 3 into minus 2 by 3. Y means the x value is only so much. So 7 is equal to 0. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 2 minus 2 plus 7 is equal to 0. So 5 is not equal to 0. So therefore I will not consider the x value. So automatically it says that these two are not equal, and in this option it is not possible, or anyway it is not possible. So therefore I will write not possible to find. The last question, 10th question, the number of all possible matrices of the order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 1 is what they are asking. Okay, so to find the possible matrices you have to find 2 power m by n. Okay, this is the formula. So now only 2 entries are there now, so only I have taken 2 power. If it is 3, then I will take 3 entries. Okay, so now I will have 2 entries only. So only that is the only 2 numbers is 0 and 1. So only I have taken 2. 2, the power will be the order of the matrix. What is the order of matrix? It is 3 by 3. So total number of elements will be 9. So 2 power 9. So I have to take this. 2 power 9 means the answer will be 512. So this is my answer. So option D is the correct option. So with this, the exercise 3.1 is over. If you have any doubts, mention it in the comment box.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.